These are your 3.3 notes. These are equations with variables on both sides. So when you have variables, those are letters like your x's or your y's, on both sides of the equation, there's some steps you go through. First, you look and you see, if you see parentheses, you distribute. First, just do it on the left side of the equation. And then we will distribute on the right if we see parentheses there. Then we'll look back at the left side. We will combine like terms, meaning the ones with the same last names on the left side of the equation. We'll combine the like terms, or the ones with the same last name, on the right side of the equation. And after we've done all of those things, then we are going to move the variable, or the letter, to the left side of the equation, and then we'll solve it just like we solve two-step equations. So let's try it and see. All right, there is nothing to do right here on the left side. There's nothing to distribute on the right. I can't combine those, so I need to go ahead and move down to this step 5. Move the variables to the left side of the equation. So how do I move a positive 3y? I'm going to subtract 3y. It goes from the right to the left. Now I have 4y equals negative 36. Now I just solve it. How do I get the y alone? I divide. Y equals negative 9. So all we're doing is, it's like I got my y's house here and my numbers house here, and the y's want to be together without any numbers, and the numbers want to be together without any y's, so we got to get everybody in separate houses. So let's look at number 2. There's nothing to distribute. I don't see any parentheses. Nothing to distribute. I can't put an x with a 14. I can't put an x with a 12. So now it's time to do step 5. Move the variable to the left side. So what I need to move is this minus 8x. To move a minus 8x, I'm going to plus 8x. What I do to one side, I gotta do to the other. Negative 6x plus 8x is 2x. I copy down the 14 equals 12. All right. Now it's time to move the 14. So I subtract 14 and I get 2x equals negative 2. I divide by 2, and then I'll get x equals negative 1. All right. Number 3 is very much like what we just did. There's nothing to distribute. There are no like terms to combine. So now it's time to do step 5. Move the variable to the left side. How do I move a positive 3y? I subtract it. So 2y minus 8 equals 12. Now I need to get the 8 and the 12 together because they're both just numbers. So I'm going to add 8. 2y equals 20. I got to divide by 2. Y is 10. Let's look at number 4. Now is when the real fun starts to begin. All right. So I see parentheses on the left side. So that means first step is distribute. 3 times 6 is 18p. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. I'm just going to copy down this other part. 11p minus 45. I can't put an 18p and a negative 3 together. I can't put an 11p and a 45 together. So now it's time to do step 5, which is to move the variable to the left side. So I take the one on the right, and I'm going to subtract it. I'm going to be left with 7p minus 3 equals negative 45. Now I need to get the 3 and the 45 together, so I'm going to add 3. 7p equals negative 42. Now I got to get the p by himself by dividing. P equals negative 6. All right. Step 1 says to distribute on the left side. So 8w minus 2. Step 2 says distribute on the right side. Negative 10w plus 3, 30. And then I just copy down that 4 because he's not part of the parentheses. Now, can I put the w or the negative minus 2 together? Nope. But I can put some stuff over here together. When I put it together, I just do old school math, 30 plus 4. So 8w minus 2 equals negative 10w plus 34. All right, now it's time for step 5, which is get the w's both on the left side. So let's add 10w here. So now I have 18w minus 2 equals 34. Now I need to get the 2 and 34 together, so I'm going to add 2. 18w equals 36. Divide. W equals, wow, I should divide by 18. I was thinking about the answer in my head. W equals 2. Whew, Miss Hall is having a rough time. 18, W equals 2. Last one. This one's going to have all the steps in it. Step 1, distribute on the left side. So the 5x gets copied down. Negative 1 times x is negative 1x. Negative 1 times negative 18 is a positive 18. 6. I got to distribute these guys too. Negative 2x minus 30. All right, now I'm going to look over here on my left side. Is there anything I can put together? There is. 5 minus 1. That is 4x plus 18. All right, what about this right side? I can put a 6 minus 30 together. 6 minus 30. You just do regular math. 6 minus 30. That is 24 minus negative 24 minus 2x. Now it's time for step 5, which is get the variables on the left side. So I'm going to add 2x here. I'm going to add 2x here. That gives me 6x plus 18 equals negative 24. Now I need to get that 18 and 24 together, so I'm going to subtract 18. 6x is going to equal 42, negative 42. I divide by 6. X is a negative 7. So take these notes for me. Thank you.